Sam Bankman-Fried, the former CEO of the collapsed FTX cryptocurrency exchange, was arrested by Bahamas law enforcement on Monday evening. B's arrest followed receipt of formal notification from the United States that it has filed criminal charges against S.B.F. and is likely to request his extradition, the government of the Bahamas said in a statement Monday night. Bankman-Fried's arrest is the first step in a multi-stage legal process to transfer the one-time crypto-billionaire to U.S. custody. Prosecutors from the Southern District of New York said they would unseal the indictment against Bankman-Fried on Tuesday morning. The New York Times reported that the charges will include wire fraud conspiracy, securities fraud conspiracy and money laundering. The Securities and Exchanges Commission also said it will unveil charges against the FTX CEO on Tuesday. The U.S. and the Bahamas have had an extradition process in place since 1994, when a treaty signed by both countries came into force. Extradition is a legal process where one jurisdiction, in this case, the U.S., asks another jurisdiction, in this case, the Bahamas, to surrender someone accused of a crime so he or she can face prosecution. At this point, the U.S. has not made a formal extradition request to the Bahamas. Yet the extradition treaty allows the Bahamas to make a provisional arrest at the urging of the U.S. before the formal extradition request is delivered. A detainee can be held for a maximum of 60 days while the formal request is pending. If the Bahamas agrees to extradite Bankman-Fried, the country would surrender the former FTX CEO to the U.S., along with any other important evidence collected in the Bahamas. But the Caribbean country could decide to defer Bankman-Fried's transfer as it conducts its own investigation. While the United States is pursuing criminal charges against SBF individually, the Bahamas will continue its own regulatory and criminal investigations into the collapse of FTX, with the The Bahamas' acceptance of a U.S. extradition request does not confer guilt. If you're right on the law, the proceeding doesn't really involve a trial on the facts. It's no defense to extradition to say, "I'm innocent," Harry Sandick, a partner at Patterson Belknap Webb and Tyler LLP, told Insider. And extraditions don't always succeed. In 2013, the U.S. tried to extradite National Security Agency whistleblower Edward Snowden from the semi-autonomous Chinese city of Hong Kong. The city's government differed on fulfilling the request, likely due to Snowden's claims that the U.S. was spying on both mainland China and Hong Kong. The city eventually allowed Snowden to leave the city, claiming the U.S. had submitted a faulty request. The U.S.